Watch this video and learn how to draw a snake.
Come on kids, let's run, let's brush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Hey, hello.
Hello, Artie.
Hello.
That was a nice welcome. Are you happy?
Artie, very happy.
Are you ready to make some art today?
Yeah.
Well, what should we draw?
Well,
Well, how about we draw
yeah.
a snake?
Yeah. Okay. Hoo-hoo-hoo. Yay. Happy. Artie, happy.
Welcome to Artie's show, little artists.
Okay. Yeah.
Are you all set up and ready to draw your snake? I had no idea you liked snakes as much.
I wonder what Artie is going to create today.
I bet it'll be a masterpiece.
Let's start by drawing the nose and mouth of our snake. We'll draw a horizontal S shape for the nose. Draw a curved line down with a little hook on the end. A straight line across and up with another little hook. Then draw a U shape on the end. Now we have our snake's head. Let's draw the eyes next.
Okay.
Draw a big circle right on the top of the snake's head. Perfect, Artie. Now draw a small oval to the right of the circle. Let's add 2 little black dots inside the eyes. If Artie's going too quickly for you little artists, here's a special message from Louie.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away, and when you're caught up, you can just press play. Oh, that was marvellous, darling.
Now let's draw a back-to-front S shape coming all the way down the centre of the page. Draw a second S shape to the left, giving the snake's neck some thickness. Draw an oval shape connecting to the bottom of the first S. Now draw a larger oval shape coming around and connecting to the bottom of the second S.
This looks great, but I can't tell what it is yet.
Now let's draw a really big C shape coming from the left side all the way around towards the bottom. That's perfect. Keep drawing all the way around towards the top and draw a little curve at the very end. Let's draw another curve on the inside to give the snake's neck a little bit more thickness.
That looks fantastic.
Just marvelous.
And another curved line below that, going all the way around and up and connecting to the end of the tail shape. You want a cartoon break? Okay, I guess we can stop and have a cartoon break. Artie, let's go and find some things that are coloured green.
Artie loves green. Green leaves from the tree. Green grass. It's a little green frog. It's a big green bus.
Well done, Artie. You found lots of green things.
Artie loves green. Right.
That was a great cartoon break, Artie. We learnt all about the colour green. Perhaps you can colour your snake in green later. Artie, go and find one of those thinner marker pens. The thin black ones. Yes, that's it. Let's draw the inside of our snake's mouth with the thinner pen. And a couple of little oval shapes for nostrils. Colour them in completely black. Now let's add some little curved lines on the snake's tummy. Awesome, Artie. It's looking good.
This is looking good.
Yes, it is.
Grab the thicker marker pen again. That's it. And draw a curved line all the way underneath, coming back up and all the way to the end of the tail. Perfect. I think you need to use the thin pen a little bit more. What do you think? Yes, let's add some more curved lines to the snake's tummy. This kind of detail really helps a drawing look complete. Speaking of complete, are you finished, Artie? You're finished! I thought so. It looks fantastic, Artie, but it's going to need a really good colouring job.
Artie, are you going to color it in now?
I think you should.
You're finished? It looks really good, Artie. The colouring in was such a good job. I love the green.
Didn't that turn out amazing, little artists?
I can't wait to see all the little artists' version of it.
Thanks for watching, little artists. We hope you join us again soon. Bye-bye for now. Bye-bye.